I'm honored to be here, and I love what I do. So it's just been wonderful, and to be recognized and asked to speak, that was just the icing on the cake. We all are intertwined and we come together and as one, no matter how the structure, any number of pools, we still stand firm. Yes.
I've been with the district 20 years, and being part of McAllen ISD has been an amazing experience. I have grown a lot with McAllen ISD. I've learned a lot, and I work with a lot of great people, and I won't trade that for nothing. Today, my message is how time flies when you're doing great things with great people, and being here is just an honor.